Your love is kind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this really nice glitter look for you guys. Something very simple, nothing intricate at all. And you know, as usual, I'm getting ready and I decided to record. So you know, finna go give them this fro today. I am actually going to wear this hair today. I have been contemplating it. I'm like, is it too much? But you know what, I am gonna wear my big hair. I am gonna wear it to the house of the Lord. Okay? I am going to wear this big hair today. I am not going to feel, you know, some type of way about it, even though I kind of do, to be honest, because it's just new territory for me. So anyways, if you want to see how I achieved this really nice cool tone, I don't know what to call it, it's like a peachy toned sort of something going on, because of course I was going off of the dress I was gonna wear. So but anyway, if you want to see how I achieved this really gorgeous look, please keep on watching. So starting with my eyes, I am going to prime that with my Makeup Forever smoothing primer. Just putting that all over my eye area, and you know, just so the eyeshadow base and concealer can stay. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, the same one I'm going to use to highlight my face. I'm just putting that right underneath my brows so that, you know, I don't get that too bright, that kind of halo look that when you get when you use a really light concealer. So I didn't want the what you call it, the MAC Paint Pot, which is my eyeshadow base, to be all the way up there. Going into my Morphe 35OM palette, I'm taking that eyeshadow. This is really the main eyeshadow I use, very simple type of something, and I'm just using this dense brush to pack that on my lid and then slightly blending that upwards, as you can see me do. Then I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just blending that first of all, and then I'm taking this transition color and I'm just, you know, making sure everything is smooth. I go back again with the other color to, you know, I'm taking this e.l.f. glitter glue. I don't know what was making me smile. The glitter glue, and then I'm taking the Super Glitters glitter in Orbit Orange. This glitter, I believe, was $1.25 or something. I'm just lightly, I didn't even want it to be this much. I wanted just like a sprinkle of the glitter, but I ended up putting quite more than I wanted, but it turned out okay anyway. So I just put that there, very little of the glue, and then I'm just adding a little bit more just to kind of take the glitter a little bit higher. So I go with the glue first, and then I'm going in with the glitter. Now I'm just going back with that main eyeshadow I use, and I'm just packing that on there, kind of like the outer part of the, you know, the glitter. I wanted it to blend well. I didn't want it to look like a cut crease, because it was looking like a cut crease ish. It was like a mess. So I just wanted that to clean it up, so that's what I did. Taking my NYX liquid liner, I'm just lightly lining my eyes. You guys know I like to do this so my lashes can look kind of neat when I put it on. Now I'm taking my smoothing primer, the same one I used in the beginning, with my Becca. I'm first going in with the smoothing primer, the Makeup Forever smoothing primer, and I am going to put the Becca only on my T-zone, because that's where I get the most oil. Now I'm putting a little bit of the Becca just around my nose area. Oh my gosh, the face I make when I'm applying makeup. Many faces I make rather when I'm applying makeup. My Estee Lauder foundation, the double wear foundation, I love this. You can see how it just blends with my skin. I don't know why I haven't been using this. It used to be my favorite at some point. So I'm just using my finger to apply that and just, you know, smooth that over, and a little goes a long way. It is quite pigmented, so it is full coverage, medium to full coverage, depending on how you want to use it. Using my body blender, I am just buffing that and blending that into my skin. My LA Girl Chestnut that I used to highlight my brow earlier, underneath my brow earlier, I'm just kind of putting that all over the places I highlighted or the places I want to highlight. I'm speeding up this process, guys. You guys know I have a very detailed highlight, contour, and, you know, foundation routine, which I'm gonna try and link it either in the description box or at the end of the video, so you can look out for that. But yeah, Same process, nothing really has changed, just same thing. And then I'm just blending that out with my booty blender, the same one. I'm just using a different part of it, and I'm blending, and I go back and forth to the place I use for my foundation to make sure everything is blended. You want to make sure everything is blended properly. And I'm just kind of pinching this part I use for my foundation to to contour my nose. And now using my Estee Lauder primer, using my Espon setting powder mixed with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I set my face. And now using the same Morphe 35 OM palette, I'm just contouring my face with that. Just go back and forth and make sure that contour is showing quite well. And I immediately clean that with the same mixture of setting powders, and I just press that into my skin. When you're setting your face, you want to press the product into your skin so it really sets the face. That's the whole idea, I mean. And then I immediately take that out. I don't let it sit, because if I do, my face will get patchy, and all of that. So I just take that out immediately with my powder brush. Now I'm going in with my MAC NW58 powder, Studio Fix powder. I'm just putting that all over my face, and I'm blending my face together, making sure everything is blended. Now I'm pinching my contour brush, the brush I use to apply my contour, and I'm just contouring my nose, just bringing out the contour. Taking this darker, you can see the one right beside it was the one I used for my eyelid. I'm just taking the other reddish one, and I'm just putting that right underneath my eyes. I'm just packing it, and I'm just pressing it on there. Now I'm using the other one I used for my eyelid to just smooth that out. And you want to take that off, Now with my Maybelline Your Gel liner, I'm just lining my eyes. And if you haven't noticed, I've gone ahead to do my brows. Of course, I mostly do that off camera just because to save time. Now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. I am gonna use that color to highlight my whole entire face. So starting with the inner corners of my eye, just blending that with the glitter, and then now my brow bone. I love a brow bone highlight, like brow bone highlight is life, child. I just smooth that over, and I go back with the brush I used, the transition color brush to just smooth that over. And now onto the face. So starting with my cheekbones, I'm just using this really nice Morphe brush to just blend that all over my face, and I'm using circular motions to make sure So my chin, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, those are the places I usually highlight. Now I'm gonna take these 3 blushes, and I'm just gonna mix them, and I just dib and dab, and I just blush up my face. I was going more on the peachy side, so I went back with the peachy one. You make my life feel bright. Blushed my face more. And then taking this Bare Minerals highlighter, I love it because it's so subtle, you won't really see it. It just kind of smooths out whatever I already have on, and it just brings out the highlighter to make it just pop a little bit more. And then I'm just going back with my contour brush to just recontour, just in case I lost that. And then now my powder brush to smooth it over. And now my 2 favorite setting sprays, my NYX setting sprays in the matte and the dewy. I first go with the matte one, and I fan that in, let it sit a little bit, and then with the dewy one, I fan that in and let it sit. I've gone ahead to put mascara. I just did a double coat on my lower lash, that's why it looks quite elongated. But anyways, using my Maybelline, my Wet n Wild brow pencil in dark brown, lining my lips. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in sepia. I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. I'm just going to re-outline, that line to just give a nice smooth ombre. And now my NYX intense butter gloss in peanut brittle. You guys know I love this stuff. I actually love this combination. This is like my perfect nude, most times if I'm going for this is my go-to nude combination, the sepia from ABH and this NYX. So the last time I saw one of my subscribers asked me to do like a lash thingy, so I'm sorry I didn't really show the entire process, but I just used a duo glue, the black one, the one that dries black. I think they all dry clear, but I just put that, make it get tacky a little bit, let it sit for like a minute or two, and then you just put it. If you put it immediately, it will be, and I'm just using my tweezer to put that in. This is it, guys. So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on this look. Something very simple. I love a clean beat. I love a very, very clean beat, like without eyeshadows or anything. I just love the beat to be, very subtle, and I'm a subtle type of person. I play with eyeshadows here and there, but at the same time, most times I'm very subtle. So you could wear this look without the glitter. Actually, like you could take off the glitter and just wear the way the eyeshadow was, the matte eyeshadow was before I put on the glitter. Anyways, I enjoyed creating this look. It was very simple, very easy, and I love how it turned out. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe, okay? And yeah, don't forget to leave and not exist. All right, I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed, guys, and I love you.
Jesus, you love me, oh, that you gave your life for me. What manner of love is this? What manner